A little story of why shops are still important. There's always this question of should we support local stores? And then the one side of the camp, I've been doing this for about 10 years now, starting from absolutely nothing and slowly built this up to a nice little brand, the old Cariad towers. So my experience of what I've understood is that it's obviously going to be lots of people that simply just go online, and we say online, we're online as well, same as every other shop, but it's this cloud of online, and they jump on and they simply press a button. So if you're buying sticks and bits and bobs, sometimes that's really easy. We all do it, press a button, delivery next day or day after. But when it comes to bigger items, drum kits, there is a value still in stores. I get people purchasing online. I get it because our time is limited, plus trying to travel to collect. However, you cannot do what we do with the big online companies. It's impossible. That's fixing items, repairing, advice, measuring. So when toddlers come in and they want a drum kit, we set the kit up even for them. So it's like when you go to Clark's shoes, you know, when you have your shoes fitted for you. So we do that for customers. Advice, people don't have any idea about drums and it's very confusing. So they come to us and we explain it all and advise them. So this is a classic example. That was actually bought online at our store. But when they came down, the customers, husband and wife, came down from Leicester, but they were buying a kit to go to Ghana for a community project over there. So when they actually came down and realized what they bought, it simply isn't what they need because they've bought a shell pack. But of course, they don't know what a shell pack is. They don't know what a snare drum is. They have no idea. So what we did is refunded this for them and then spent 2-3 hours with them, showing them exactly what drum kits are, cymbals, hardware, pedals, stool, all of it. Find out from them who are going to be playing the drum kit, what age group, who they are, and we just give that time to them so that they can get as accurate a picture as possible and then try and keep the whole package within a budget that they have got. And that's why we believe there is room for a store where somebody cares about this. And naturally, as you all know, myself and our team here, we absolutely care for every customer. I try not to just sell for the sake of selling. I sell what the people or customer needs. And that was a classic example. So now 2 boxes have gone off to Ghana. They use some specialist company in London that ship to Ghana regular. So they have organized all of that. They took it away. But now when it arrives on the other side of the world, they have got a drum kit that they can use that is functioning. And that's what a store does that no one else can do. So there's a story of the day. So let me know in your comments, do you think drum stores, specialist stores, still have a value in today's life? Take it easy.